Now, it was clearly supposed to be one of the grand weddings of the year as far as Karnataka is concerned. However, things have taken a different turn after the onset of COVID-19 in the state. Here is a report.
The wedding of the year is the wedding of Nikhil Kumaraswamy, son of the former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy. Nikhil will tie the knot with Revati. The wedding is slated to take place on Friday, April 17th at the former Chief Minister's farmhouse near Bidadi. However, Nikhil's wedding, as we said earlier, has been overshadowed by the onset of COVID-19 across the state. COVID-19 hasn't even spared South Karnataka, where the wedding is due to take place. Remember, the former Chief Minister and his household had planned a grand affair with wedding ceremonies slated to take place at Ramanagara and in Bengaluru. But now, with the state forced to adhere and comply with the social distancing norms, a lavish event is clearly not on the cards. It is being said that the event would be a low-key one, with only a handful of invitees from the groom and the bride side. But clearly, the handful number that we are talking of could easily be over 50 persons, which once again raises the all-important question of social distancing norms being maintained or being thrown to the winds.
Any violation of the guidelines will not be taken. Definitely, nobody is above the law. He is also a part of the system. He is in a responsible position. He should not, take any kind of excuse. I did not invite, people just came like that. It's not any kind of case, excuses will not be considered. Definitely he should abide, and which he already has made a statement by himself. He himself has made a, voluntarily has made a statement that he'll abide, nothing will go wrong, and will take all the necessary precaution. That is the kind of statement or undertaking has been given by him.
Nikhil's father, the former Chief Minister, had nursed a political career for his son Nikhil, who has also tried his hand on the silver screen. Calendar 2019 was extremely unkind to the former PM's household. Both Nikhil and the former Prime Minister lost the parliamentary elections. The tipping point of calendar 2019 was when the coalition government headed H.D. Kumaraswamy was toppled over, with B.S. Yediyurappa assuming charge as the new Chief Minister. Let us hope that Nikhil's marriage would be the lucky charm and he would be successful in all his endeavours. A News 9 report.
The total